We've got Adam who's coming to shear our sheep and goats today. It's that time of year. They've got really long coats, it's really hot, so they desperately need this doing. It prevents them getting fly strike and helps them to keep cool. So they're all being done today. At the moment we've got one of our rams being done. They're not easy to do, they're huge sheep and they've got very, very thick wool, which is all going to be going to Kenny, who's going to use it in his garden.